Hello viewers, welcome to video. In this video, I will show how to fix Instagram keeps stopping problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps option. Now scroll. Click on Instagram app, tap on storage, tap on clear data and click delete option. Go to Play Store, click on search and tap on search. Search Instagram app. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram app if available on Play Store. Open on Instagram. Now keep stopping problem solved. Thanks for watching.